Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the following mini cars here. Okay, now I start checking from the first track. Bulldozer, this one is a nice bulldozer. Excavator, mini excavator. This one is also a cute excavator. Cute bus. This one is a cute bus, red color. How about this one? Forklift. Okay, after we check a forklift, now you can see a nice helicopter. This one is a nice helicopter, everybody. A nice helicopter. Another bulldozer. How about this one? Garbage truck. Okay, garbage truck. Excavator. How about this? How about this one? Hero Captain America. Ladder truck. Okay, ladder truck. How about this one? Transportation truck. How about this? Another Captain America with a strong gas shield. You can see. Okay, now the next one. A broken truck. After we check a broken truck, you can see this. Off-road truck. Okay, off-road truck. How about this one? This one is a nice police car. Green color. Nice police car, green color. Can I check the next one? How about this? Cement mixer truck. You can see this one really nice cement mixer truck. Petroleum truck. A cute petroleum truck. Mini petroleum truck. Everyone, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.